Good evening. My name is Lucas. I'm the head of global sales for TRUSS Professional. TRUSS Professional is a proud sponsor of this beautiful fashion event. We are a brand from Brazil, a professional manufacturer of professional haircut products from Brazil. And we are launching our brand, our product here in the Emirates. And we are extremely proud to be here showing you our products, showing you what TRUSS Professional is all about. We are a brand currently present in 33 countries all over the world. And if there is one thing that is extremely special about TRUSS Professional is the quality of the ingredients that we have. So if you're looking for your best hair day ever, TRUSS Professional is going to deliver that to you. If you're looking for a beautiful, frizz-free, shiny hair, TRUSS Professional is going to deliver that to you. And today, we're going to present you with a few looks, and also, we have our booth outside, and we would love that you come talk to us, because we would love to offer you professional services at our academy here in Dubai, so you can get to know our brand better. Because in the end, there's nothing I can say here that is going to make you fall in love with the brand more than if you try in yourselves. Thank you for your time. It's a pleasure to be here, and we hope to connect with all of you. Thank you very much.
This is House of Trust. Trust.
And now, inviting to the stage, Viana and Tatiana.
Hi, hello. Hi, I'm Viana. I'm an international educator, and now I'm here in Dubai, work with together the PH7, the response for the trust products here in Dubai. So, for me, this is my presentation. Now, my friend.
Hi guys, nice to meet you. I'm Tati Silva from Brazil, and I'm an artist, hairdresser, and represent TRUSS. I'm so glad to be here to show to you how amazing is this brand. Welcome.
Thank you. Okay, so the idea for this show, to show two specific models, two specific style, for the girls, for the women to reproduce at their home, okay? Because nowadays what happened, many clients use the same tools for the hairdressers. So it's important to protect the hair during this style, easy, fast, beautiful styles, okay? Tati?
So now I'm gonna show to you some style easy to you do at home, okay? So I hope you like, guys.
Okay, invite you the buff models, please. Okay, here, take care. Okay, for my model is a brunette model, okay? My idea is to use some old tank, but it's perfect to create a volume, shiny, is a bob, okay? Normally, all the woman has a bob at her home, yeah? So, for me, the brushing is the principal plastic surgery you can produce for the woman. It's cheap, fast, and very, very nice to produce a natural style, beautiful style, okay? You don't need a lot of production. So, what I did now, my model, I use the freeze zero, yeah, to prepare the hair before the brushing, because I know he is a humid place. And normally, when you use a brushing, when I come to the other place, when I leave the hair salon, when I leave the house, because of the humidity, the hair gets like my hair, yeah? Swirling, like a lion, perfect. Is not the idea. The idea is to leave the hair with softness, touchable, a lot of movement, but a lot of shine, and touchable, okay? Tati?
So, that hair, we're gonna show to you how it's easy to do a beach wave. The look like we can go to the beach, to the restaurant, as a normal hair, and with a volume. Okay, so let's start.
Yes, this is the buff inspiration for us. My inspiration is Isabelle Fontana. Yes, it's a Brazilian model. Believe every knows this girl. And I prepare with Free Zero, and after I just blow dry the top of the head. It's normally dry, and after apply the beach wave to create more soft, beautiful result.
Yeah, so my reference is the Tufel Beach, and you're gonna use this product we call Beach Waves to get this hair more natural.
If you want to put a little music because of the noise of the blow dry, after I come back to explain again, please. idea for the two models. Easier, fast, is possible to use at the home to produce more natural movement, like a beach, like idea for the party, but it's my natural result. This is the idea of the brain.
So guys, I just want to say a little bit about this product. So this is the protection, okay? So you can use before to use a babyliss, hair, and everything. So you can just put a little bit and get this natural. And I use this fluid shine tend to make and give to the hair a little bit shine. So this is a natural, and I think it's easy for you to do at home.
Yeah, the idea is all the product has memory effect. For example, if my model, if the girl doesn't want the leg side, it's possible to put the other side. Don't leave the hair with flakes, but completely natural. It's the most important. When a client or the girl wash the hair, I don't have problems for fragile, porous, dry hair, because this is technology inside, protection, nutrition, hydration. This is TRUSS for you, okay? Thank you.
White wristband, the white wristband, white wristband.